Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to test a fuel pump. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Make sure you're wearing appropriate safety gear, like glasses and gloves, to protect against fuel exposure. Work in a well-ventilated area, far from any open flames or sparks, as gasoline vapors are highly flammable. Your safety is paramount throughout this process. One common method is the fuel pressure test. First, find the fuel pressure test port, which is usually located on the engine's fuel rail. Attach a fuel pressure gauge firmly to this port, ensuring a tight seal to prevent leaks. Once connected, start your engine and carefully observe the pressure reading displayed on the gauge. Compare this reading to the specific fuel pressure range recommended for your vehicle, typically found in your service manual. If the pressure test is inconclusive, check the fuel pump relay. You'll find this relay in your vehicle's fuse box, often labeled. With the ignition on, listen for a clear clicking sound from the relay, indicating it's engaging. If there's no click, try swapping it with another identical known good relay from your fuse box. For a more precise check, use a multimeter to test for continuity across the relay's terminals, ensuring it's functioning correctly. Finally, consider a voltage drop test to assess the electrical supply. Locate the fuel pump's electrical connector, usually near the fuel tank. With a multimeter, measure the voltage at the pump's power wire while the pump is active. Compare this reading to the voltage directly at your battery. A substantial difference, typically more than 1/2 of a volt, suggests a problem with the wiring, a corroded connection, or a faulty ground leading to the pump.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.